Today, we're in a Holden HT Monaro.
Oh, yeah.
It's just so nice. The interior is tidy and, dude, it drives like a brand new car.
I'm blown away by how smooth and tight this car feels.
Because this was a few years in the making, wasn't
Quite
it?
an extensive build, this one. Yeah, definitely. Yep, from the ground up. I mean, this car's had the quarters off it. It's had, chassis, falling, it's got everything. The car came into us. It was a nice shiny blue paint job, but unfortunately it was good from far from good. So it had lots of bubbling and lots of dodgy repairs that have started to show themselves. So yeah, we had to start knocking it back, and unfortunately the more we knocked it back, the more we found. So yeah, it was rebuilt with new rear quarter panels. Basically had to find what was available at the time and what to work with. It's had new bonnets, guard, doors. The engine bay was completely smoothed out. So the paint's actually Lotus laser metallic blue paint. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's got blacked out little accents here and there.
I did notice that, especially on the side of the vents here.
Yeah, the guard flutes and the boot lid, so it breaks up the blue quite nicely. It's got a 383 stroker motor, so you've got a brand new motor, making about 420 horsepower. It's got a turbo 350 transmission and a brand new 9-inch differential, so I mean, it's all brand new.
Dude, and it feels that way, man. And like, even just looking at it, like, you pop that bonnet, dude, it is so clean and tight. There's no wires, there's no cables or hoses. It's all matching colors, and you've got that beautiful 383 stroker Blueprint motor sitting there. It's just such a nicely put together. It is a proper resto mod.
Yeah,
this thing.
100%. Yeah.
Yeah, it still looks nostalgic.
Yep.
But it's got the right touches all throughout it. And then underneath, dude, it's even nicer underneath. It's all blacked out.
Yep.
But you've got those coilovers, you've got disc brakes all around. It's just such a nice package.
Suspension under it's got a Superformance IFS. It's also got a 4-link in it. Using coilovers all around, and it's got late model Commodore brakes. This one's all done in its original, style and original trims and whatnot. It was all sourced from Winners Products down in South Australia, so I was lucky we were actually able to get it.
Dude, the seats, the door cards, the Monaro GDS on the side, everything is just so nice. And I love the center, I love the dash with the gauges, the odometer with the blue inside them.
Yep. Ties in nice.
And it
tells you everything you need to know.
Yeah, dude, dude, it just ticks all the boxes. Fresh motor, so let's not give it too much on this video.
No, it's still in its running process.
Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you need any work done in your car, big or small, check out the website, give us a call. See you next time.
Thanks guys.